Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can select multiple video clips at once in HitFilm Express 12. And HitFilm Express is crazy with this. Like, I don't know who created this process, but if you're gonna press Control and you click on the videos, you won't capture it, you won't grab it, only because it will create a keyframe. All you have to do, there are two options. The first one is you need to click on the upper part of the video and now hold Control and you can do it. And now I can move it. Or the another way is just grab it like that. So again, upper part, Control, Control, like that. If you go Control in the middle part, it will create a keyframe. So that's how you select multiple video clips at once. And of course, if you're gonna just grab it with mouse, it works too. Thank you very much, everybody. And goodbye.